Hello and welcome to Cosplay, Crafts, and More. If you've just found this channel, you're probably interested in cosplay and costume design. Or you might be interested in making new foods and expanding your tastes. You might even be interested in old hobbies like quilting and cross-stitch. If you've already subscribed, welcome back. My name is Danielle. I know I've been going as Micah for a while, but I'm going through a rebranding personally and with my channel. And so yeah, I'm interested in all of those things too. In fact, I'm interested in lots of different things, including fan-based things like tabletop gaming and video gaming, all the way to watching new films and TV shows. I'm also interested in cooking and baking and all of that. The thing though is, when you first start, it can be overwhelming and not beginner friendly. Here, I want to help you learn some tips and tricks of my own and expand and grow in all of those areas in a beginner friendly way.